when I met my husband, he was raised in Orthodox Jewish background. So it sort of became almost like a conversion case, but not really. Certainly we were both Jewish, but raised very differently. And I would say we met in the middle, but what was interesting about it was when we established our home and started having children, Sukkot came about, and I said to my husband, Gary, I want to buy a sukkah. I've been researching it, and Lighters in Brooklyn sells them. And at that time, we could kind of ill afford it. It was a few $100s to have a sukkah shipped to us. But I said, I think it's important we have a sukkah. And he had always had a sukkah. And so he says, well, we'll just go to my mom's. She has her sukkah. And I said, no, I want a sukkah. I want it because I never had one, and I want my children to have one. So in that way, I think I've embraced all of these traditions, sort of, not technically all for the first time. I certainly knew about holidays and everything else, but a lot of these things were new to me. And I really fell in love with them. And so indeed, our sukkah, which we've had now for probably 30 years, we put it up every year, and we still put the same things because they were important to our kids. We have 4 sons we're blessed with, Gabriel, Joseph, Samuel, and Michael. And at that time, they liked superheroes and Disney characters. And so in our sukkah, we have Transformers and wrestlers and Sleeping Beauty and Beauty and the Beast and all these characters hanging from ours, along with the flowers and fruits and everything else. So it was a beautiful tradition that we carried on.